Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this sweater. This very easy crocheted sweater, and the top of the sweater is done in mesh, and that includes the sleeves. And here are a few samples when done in different colors. Here's black with pink, and black with tan, and black with green. So let's get started. To make this sweater, I'm going to do a demo with this cream color yarn and this blue so that you can see my stitches better. And I'm working with a 6mm crochet hook. If I worked it in black, you wouldn't be able to see my stitches. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a slip knot. And I'm working top down. This sweater could be made bottom up or top down. So you're going to start with a foundation chain that is the right length for how long you would like your sleeves to be. So if you want your sleeves to be short sleeves, then you would measure from mid-arm to mid-arm. If you want your sweater to have elbow length sleeve, you would measure from elbow to elbow. And if you want long sleeves, measure from wrist to wrist. So you're just going to go ahead and start with your foundation chain. I'm just going to work a small section here because we've already got it ready. So after you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to take the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 and a chain 1 space and a double crochet. So across the row, you're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that across the row. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row. I chained 1, skip, double crochet. Chain 1, skip, double crochet. Skip, double crochet. And if you get to the end of your row and you don't have an extra stitch, you can either pick out the last stitch or you can add one more stitch with your yarn end by just inserting in there and making one extra stitch. Okay, so that's what your top of your sweater is going to look like. So now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to turn your work. Double crochet in the first chain 1 space. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1. Double crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet. Now you're going to repeat that row until you have your top of your mesh the length that you would need it to go from your shoulder to your armpit. Now after you have this whole section done for the top, and you can go ahead and make your sweater all the same color, or you can do as I did and do 2 different colors. So if you're doing 2 different colors, you're just going to bring in a new color, and I like to lock it in, and you're going to turn your work, and you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. You're going to single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. And you do that all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, you're going to chain 2 and turn, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, and you're going to continue working that way all the way across the row. Like that. Now I'm going to change back to my main color, and you can just carry your yarn along the outside and then enclose it in the seams when you sew the side seam up. So I'm going to pull my yarn up through there, tighten up those stitches, and I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet all the way across the row. So I'm going to double crochet in the chain 1 space, and I'm also going to double crochet in that single crochet. So double crochet all the way across the row, working in every stitch. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. And I'm going to front post double crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch, so right here. So front post in the next stitch, you yarn around the hook and you insert under the post from the front, and then complete the double crochet. And double crochet in the next stitch. So you're alternating a front post and a regular double crochet, a front post and a regular double crochet. So the next will be a front post. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Front post and regular double crochet. Like that. And these 2 rows are going to be repeated for the body of the sweater. And here's how that will look when you've got it all done like this. And so you'll continue to work this until your sweater is the length that you would like. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this sweater with mesh sleeves. And you can find the written pattern on my blog, and I placed a link below the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.